Hello guys, there are just around 75 days left for CAT 2023. Many aspirants are asking us whether this is the sufficient time to prepare or they should appear for next year. I want to emphasize to you that yes, there is sufficient time to prepare for CAT 2023 if you can dedicate 4 to 5 hours each day. We have released a 75-day schedule which will help you cover the entire syllabus and also leave you with 2 weeks for revision and mocks. Please download the schedule from the link in the description. Before going into details, I would like to remind you that there are only around 5 days left to register for CAT 2023. So try to fill out the form as soon as possible to avoid the last minute rush. Now let me explain how to use Cracku's 75-day plan and make every day count in your preparation. First and foremost, it's all about structured preparation. Each day is meticulously planned to comprehensively cover the syllabus. Starting from Monday, that is September 11th, our top faculty of Cracku has crafted a day-to-day schedule until November 12th, 2023. Every weekend, we have scheduled you to take a mock test to assess your progress. This is where you get to put your learning into practice and fine-tune your strategies. So don't skip taking these mocks on a weekly basis, irrespective of whether you have completed the syllabus or not. This schedule is designed in such a way that you will complete the entire syllabus in just 60 days. After that, the next 2 weeks are dedicated to your revision. You can cover these topics from anywhere, but considering the limited time remaining, we recommend enrolling in our 75-day crash course. We'll send you daily emails along with the material you need to study each day. So dear CAT aspirants, if you are serious about cracking CAT 2023, it's time to take action. Don't let this precious 75 days slip away. Enroll in our 75-day CAT crash course and make the most use of it. Remember, every day counts, and with Cracku's guidance, you can achieve your dream CAT score. Thank you.